is Aftertaste and welcome back to Operation Buffalo. This is going through the Allies Turn 3. It is July 1937. Let's get started with the Commonwealth tech rolls. So we now have 3 rolls thanks to the completion of our major factory in Northern England. So we're going to be rolling for anti-submarine warfare, improved factories and long-range aircraft. That's disappointing. Oh well. Okay, purchases. FEC are going to be purchasing 2 militia. Militia upgrades, beg pardon. Anzac are going to be upgrading their factory from a minor to a medium, which will cost them 7, leaving them with 4. The UK are going to purchase 2 militia upgrades. And 2 infantry, with 2 and 1 militia, spending the full 12. Okay, let's go into non-combat movements. The Anzac artillery in Sydney is going to rail to South Australia. The Anzac transport in I-7 is going to use strategic naval movement to move to P7C. So we're in I-7, I-10, I-14, P69, P7C, and we're going to go in port. Moving up to India, the transport in Calcutta, or in I-11, is going to pick up the British AA, move 2 spaces to P50, pick up the infantry in Sarawak and drop their infantry and AA off in British Malaya. The Anzac motorised infantry in Maharashtra is going to move to Calcutta. The FEC infantry in Punjab is going to rail to Calcutta. In Lower Egypt, the transport in I-5 is going to go into I-4 and then back into I-5, back into port in Lower Egypt, and take the infantry for British Somaliland, so we'll move him in. The infantry in Western Egypt is going to walk into Lower Egypt. The Anzac destroyer and light cruiser in I-4 are going to move 3 spaces, I-5, M8, M4. The FEC units in M4 are going to move over to A44, 2 spaces. The battleship and heavy cruiser are going to go in port. Everyone else is going to remain at sea. The transport that is in Gibraltar is going to pick up 1 infantry from Malta, move across, drop him off, and go in port. The seaplane that is in Gibraltar is going to move to Lower Egypt, so 1 to M2, 2 to M4, 3 to M8, 4 to Lower Egypt. Moving on up, the transport in A21 in port is going to pick up 1 infantry from Southern England, move 3 spaces, A28, A35, A44, go in port in Gibraltar, drop off the infantry in Gibraltar. The medium bomber in Southern England is going to fly to Gibraltar. A21, A28, A35, A44, Gibraltar. And we're going to move No, we're going to leave the transport there actually, belay the last. That will conclude the Commonwealth's non-combat moves. We'll go to place units. Okay, let's grab the militia there. We'll upgrade the factory in Sydney. Can I fit in there? Yes. Okay, the 2 militia upgrades for FEC. One is going to be in Delhi, and the other is going to be in Ceylon. So copy one for Delhi and Ceylon, and we'll delete these. Okay, for the UK, militia upgrade is going to be in Malta. So I'll put that one militia down and then take this guy off to upgrade this militia, and in doing so I will copy and paste that infantry. The other upgrade is going to be in Gibraltar, so I'll delete that one to indicate the upgrade and copy this infantry. And the 2 infantry that we're going to be placing, we'll place one in Northern England and one in London. Okay, that's the end of place units. We'll collect income. The UK is still collecting 12, FEC is still collecting 5, ANZAC is still collecting 3. Leaving the UK on 12, ANZAC on 7, and the FEC on 6. Okay, moving over swiftly on to France. Technology rolls again. We'll keep rolling for heavy armour. That failed. Okay. Purchases for France. We will be purchasing 1 militia, 1 fighter, and 1 AA for the full 16. Non-combat movements, we don't have many. The transport in southern France is going to use the strategic naval movement to pick up the mounted infantry and take him over to French Guiana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he will not be in port there. And that is all of France's non-combat movements done. So we'll go ahead to placing new units. And as I'm going past Abyssinia, I've just remembered my recruitment role. I will do that now. No. Okay. Carry them on. I'll put the militia in Alsace-Lorraine, the fighter and the AAA will go in Paris. France are still collecting 7. Okay, KMT, we're going to purchase 4 infantry. I have not got any combat moves as much as I would like to. No combat moves and no non-combat moves either, so we're just going to go straight ahead to place. I'll collect ink while I'm here. That'll be 5. We'll be placing 1 in Nanking. I'll be damned if I'm going to give the CCP a propaganda victory. And we'll place the other 3 in Kwichao. So I'll delete the 3 individual infantry and stack another green chip under there. So now we've got 12 infantry in Kwichao and 1 in Nanking. The United States, we're going to be upgrading the factory in Washington DC. And again, we're going to be spending 6, saving 6. I'm not going to alter that. We are going to do some non-combat movements. Going to rail the American light tank to the east coast. I'm just going to take the factory over while I'm doing it. And that's going to go to New York. We're also going to rail the infantry from New Orleans, the infantry from Washington DC, and the infantry from Chicago to New York. The American seaplane is going to go to Puerto Rico. And that's it. That will end United States movements. We will upgrade the factory in Washington. Oh, congratulations, just managed to delete the other one. Don't unlock the board, don't unlock the board. Okay. That will conclude the United States movements. That's all purchases done. Technology, collect income. I think I haven't missed anything, but we'll find out. That will conclude Allies turn 3. I'll hand you over to Nathan for Italians turn 3 and Germany turn 4. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye for now.